Alright, so we're going to install the MyFord Touch system, the upgrade 2.0, with this little USB flash drive. You have to leave the vehicle running while you do this. You can drive it and everything, but it's got to be on. So obviously I took it out of the garage and away from the house, just to completely eliminate any fumes that might be coming in. Okay, so this is what you're going to do. Turn the vehicle on. That's my fuel mileage right now from full, 35.6. It'll be a lot lower when this is done. Now you're supposed to turn the audio system on. To a, by the instructions, low but audible level, probably so you can hear the instructions. Okay, that's too loud. Alright, that's fine. So now we'll just plug this in. You can't have anything else plugged in. Alright, here we go. Flashing orange. Here we go. So in theory, this is all we should have to do. And obviously I'll keep my eye on the car and come out and check on it. Now if you want to see how the system performed before the upgrade, when everything looked like, I do have a full MyFord Touch tour if you want to see it. It's in 3 parts. It's about half an hour altogether.
Please keep your vehicle running, not accessory mode, throughout the entire update installation. If you choose to upgrade your vehicle while idling in your driveway, make sure your vehicle is not in an enclosed space such as a garage during this time. Additionally, always make sure airflow under the vehicle is not blocked by tall grass, snow, or any other obstruction.
You say okay. So yeah, once this gets to going, just follow the system prompts and you should be good to go. And like I said, once it's all installed, I'll play with it, just tell you if all the features work or don't, and just basically tell you how the new system looks, and then of course show you around it. I do know that these favorite buttons, you can't customize them anymore after the upgrade, which really sucks. That's just incredibly poor engineering if you ask me. But not that that's something I've come to not expect from this car. Which is mainly a complaint of the automatic transmission and MyFord Touch. It's got a great chassis on it though. Okay, here we go, here's something different. So now we should see the main boot screen. So theoretically this should start to look like that rebooting screen with the big sync emblem and the little bar that goes across the bottom as it installs the software. Here we go. In case anybody's wondering, the car's got about 8,300 miles on it. Alright, there's the old one. Here we go. So I'll probably just cut the video short right here. I'll come out and check on the car a couple of times and make sure the installation process is going okay, or if anything different pops up or any more menus come up, I'll make another video just to show you any more steps along the way. But that's it for now. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. I will keep you posted, and see you later.